Find out just how much you could save with our online interactive calculator by clicking on this QR code or visiting uk.methven.com/interactive-calculator. Our calculator will compare your usage based on data set of national average of a 15 litre per minute flow rate and 6.5 minute shower time. You can also use our advanced calculator and input your own flow rate and shower time to get more accurate savings by using the various sliders. If you choose, you can also adjust the energy and water costs, which are set to a national average from October 2022. Once you've input all your data, you'll need to select your preferred water-saving showerhead from our range. Then you can click on the button for your results and you'll be able to find out just how much you could save. And if you fill in your email address, we'll also send the information directly to your inbox.